Hey everyone, today we're setting off from Dubai on an amazing cruise adventure to Sir Bani Yas Island. I'll be staying in a beautiful balcony room and I'll take you along to explore all the exciting activities, scenic views, and delicious dining options aboard. Let's go!
Yeah. Oh, this side also have another elevator. Yes. Thank you.
Cabin number?
Is 11?
Down.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Resorts World Cruise is an impressive 268 meters long with space for 1,854 passengers across 13 decks. It has amazing amenities from pools to a range of dining spots, perfect for a relaxing journey. Here's my cabin for the next 2 nights, a cozy balcony room. It has all the essentials and the view from the balcony is just perfect for watching the sunset. There's so much to explore. I've found some great spots, including the Roman-themed Parthenon pool and the observatory lounge with panoramic ocean views. Food lovers, you're in for a treat. There's everything from Chinese and Western dishes to hot pot and a seafood grill. Plus, there are up to 6 meal options daily, so you'll never go hungry. Evenings on board are lively. I checked out the Zodiac Theater for a live show. Each night ends with some great food and drinks, international cuisine at the main dining spots.
It starts with one day. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to explain in due time.
A perfect end to a day at sea. And that's it for this unforgettable cruise journey. From Dubai to Sir Bani Yas Island, it's been a relaxing and scenic adventure. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, happy travels.